Here's how to memorize the composition of blood in 60 seconds. Blood is made out of 4 things. The first is red blood cells, and you can use the 2 O's in it to remind you its job is to transport O2. It's adapted to do this as it contains hemoglobin that can bind to the oxygen. It has a biconcave shape which increases its surface area, and it has no nucleus which gives it more space to carry more oxygen. The next is white blood cells, which also have 2 O's in it, but if you write the T as a cross, it can remind you that it doesn't transport O2. Instead, use the I to write infection. This is because they're used to fight off infections by fighting pathogens using 3 different methods. They engulf pathogens in a process known as phagocytosis, they produce antibodies, and they produce antitoxins. The next is platelets, and you can use the S, E, A, and L to make the word seal. This is because it seals cuts in the skin. It does this as it causes blood to clot, which prevents excessive bleeding and prevents pathogens from entering the body. And finally, we have plasma, which we can use the M to remind us that it moves everything in the blood. It's the liquid part of the blood, and its job is to transport all the components in it. This includes all of these things.